Hello students, today we are going to study how to find the SCF of given numbers by prime factor method. Last year we have studied how to find SCF by listing all the factors. Now this year we are going to study SCF by prime factor method. आपण यावर्षी मसावी हा मूळ अवयव पद्धतीने कसा काढायचा हे अभ्यासणार आहोत. नाउ लेट अस सी द एग्जांपल. फाइंड द एचसीएफ ऑफ 16, 24 and 36. Find the SCF of 16, 24 and 36. 16, 24 आणि 36 या संख्यांचा मसावी काढा असा प्रश्न आहे. फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू फाइंड द प्राइम फॅक्टर्स ऑफ इच नंबर. सर्व संख्यांचे मूळ अवयव आपल्याला काढायचे. त्यासाठी दोन मेथड्स आहेत. पहिली मेथड आहे व्हर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट आणि सेकंड आहे हॉरिझॉन्टल अरेंजमेंट. तर आपण व्हर्टिकल मेथडने प्रत्येक संख्यांचे अवयव काढणार आहोत. लेट अस सी वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट 16 शिडी मेथड आपल्याला वापरायच्या ठिकाणी. आता 16 इज अन इवन नंबर. 16 ही समसंख्या आहे. आता ज्या संख्यांच्या एकक स्थानी 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 यापैकी एखादा अंक असतो त्या संख्यांना समसंख्या म्हणतात आणि सर्व समसंख्यांना 2 ने भाग जातो. हे जे काय अवयव येणार आहेत हे अवयव सर्व मूळ संख्या हव्यात. आपण जे काय अवयव काढणार आहोत त्या अवयव सर्व मूळ संख्या हव्यात, प्राईम नंबर्स हवेत. सो लेट अस डिवाइड ऑल इवन नंबर्स बाय 2. 2 ने आपल्या ठिकाणी डिवाइड करायचंय. सो डिवाइड हिअर 16 बाय 2. आपण 16 2 ने भाग दिल्यावर डिवाइडर तुमचा जो काही क्वेश्चन आहे तो आहे 8. 2 8 16. या दोन संख्यांचा गुणाकार 16 ला पाहिजे. अगेन डिवाइड हिअर 8 इज इवन नंबर डिवाइड बाय 2. 2 4 8. सिमिलरली डिवाइड 4 by 2. 2 2 4 and 2 1 So these are the prime factors of 16. Similarly, find the prime factors of 24. Again here 24, in its place we have 4, so 24 is an even number. So start division with 2. 2 1 2, 2 2 4. We got 16, 12. 12 is an again even number. So divided by 2. 2 6 12. Again divided by here 2 because 6 is an even number. 2 3 6. 3 1 So like this way we got here all these prime factors of 24. Similarly, find the prime factors of 36. Again here at unit place we have 6. So 36 is an even number. Whenever we have even number, always divide it by 2. So start division with 2. 2 1 2 here. 2 8 16. We got the question 16. 18. So again 18 is an even number. So divide by 2. 2 9 18. Now here we got question as 9. 9 is not an even number, so start division with 3 here. 3 3 9 and last 3 1 2. So like this way, whatever factors we got here, all these factors are prime numbers. Here all factors are prime numbers. Similarly here also all factors are prime numbers. Like this way we have factorized this number into their primes. So next step is write these factors in the form of multiplication. So we get 16 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this, if you find the product, the answer is 16. Similarly, write 24. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Similarly, write the factor of 36. The factors of 36 are 2 times 2 and 2 times 3. Like this way, first write all the factors in the form of multiplication. Then from these 3, select the common factors. We have to select here common factors. While selecting common factors, the factors should be common for all the 3 numbers. This 2, this 20. Among these 3, 2, take 1 here. Then again 2, 2, 2. Now if you search here, is there any other number as a common factor? See, 2 and 2 only common for two these numbers, not the third. 3 is common for only two numbers, not for 3. So like this way we got here two common factors. Now we have to find SCF. SCF means highest common factor. Highest common factor is nothing but the product of these two common factors. So SCF is equal to SCF of 16, 24 and 36 is equal to product of these two factors, that is 4. 4 is the SCF of 16, 24 and 36. So like this way we can find the SCF of given numbers using prime factor method. Now let us see one more example. Suppose the example is given like this way. Second example, 7, 8 and 9. 7, 8 and 9. We have studied the rule. The SCF of co-prime number is always 1. Here 7, 8, 9 are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers म्हणजे काय तर सहमूळ संख्या. सहमूळ संख्यांना काय म्हणतात? सहमूळ संख्या. की ज्या दोन किंवा जास्त संख्यांचा सामायिक अवयव एक असतो त्यांना म्हणायचं सहमूळ संख्या. सो हियर 7, 8 and 9 are co-prime numbers. These are nothing but they are co-prime numbers. Therefore, their SCF is always 1. If the numbers are prime numbers or twin prime numbers, then also their SCF is 1. Suppose the next example is, suppose 19 and 21. Again, 19 and 21, these two are also co-prime numbers. So we can write here, 19 and 21 are co-prime numbers. Therefore, SCF is equal to 1. Okay. One more example if you take, find the SCF of suppose 8, 24 and 30. Now in this example, instead of finding the factors of all these numbers, we can see that 8 is the divisor of 8, 24 and 32. आता या उदाहरणामध्ये 8, 24 आणि 32 या तिन्ही संख्यांना 8 ने पूर्ण भाग जातो. म्हणजेच काय तर 8 ही अशी संख्या आहे की लहानात लहान संख्या की जिने या तिन्ही संख्यांना पूर्ण भाग जातो. म्हणजेच या संख्याचे एससीएफ काय असेल? या संख्याचे एससीएफ असेल 8. सो वी कॅन राइट हियर आन्सर एज 8 इज द डिवायझर ऑफ 8, 24 and 32. Therefore, SCF is equal to 8. म्हणजेच काय दिलेल्या उदाहरणामध्ये व्यवस्थित संख्यांचं निरीक्षण करा. जर एखादी संख्या लहान संख्या इतर संख्यांना त्या संख्येने भाग जात असेल तर ती संख्या त्या दिलेल्या संख्यांचा मसावी असतो. लाईक दिस वे वी कॅन फाइंड द SCF ऑफ गिवन नंबर्स बाय डिव्हिजन मेथड. लेट अस सी वन मोर एक्झाम्पल. आपण आणखीन एक एक्झाम्पल पाहूया की मूळ अवयव काढून कशा प्रकारे अवयव आपल्याला काढता येतात, त्याचे मसावी काढता येतो. Let us see one more example. Find the SCF of suppose 35 and 42. 35 and 42. So once again we have to factorize the given numbers into its prime factors. So first we'll factorize 35. Now check whether 35 is an even number or odd number. आता ठिकाणी युनिट प्लेसला संख्या आहे 5. So 35 is not an even number. So it is an odd number. Now when the number is odd, we have to divide it by either 3 or 5 or 7 like this way. Now this number, since it is having 5 at unit place, start division with 5. If you check with 3, this number is not divisible by 3. So 5 7s are 35 and 7 1s are 7. Like this way we got the factors of 35. Similarly, find the factors of 42. Now 42 unit place we have 2. Since it is even number, divided by 2. 2 to the 4, 2 1s are. Now 21 is not an even number, so divided by 3. Check with 3. 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. So write the prime factor in the form of multiplication. So 35 is equal to 5 into 7. 42 is equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Now we have to write the common factors. Select the common factors. So common factors is equal to here 7. 7 is the only one common factor. Therefore, SCF of 35 and 42 is nothing but that is 7. This is the solution of this question. So like this way, we can take various numbers and find the SCF. Thank you.